Hey guys, Alexis Wygand, San Antonio, Texas. I am your MAPS Mega Listing Agent Group Coach, and I just want to share a quick tidbit on how to better deliver your message of the market. We know there's several things you can report. You can do absorption rate, month supply, days on market, number of closed sales. But what I have found to be the most powerful in conversation while lead generating, on listing appointments, or even if we're reporting it out on social media or to our newsletter, is just the appreciation rate, right? So we know that the national average is 8% this year. Now, please go run your local number so you can show up as your local neighborhood expert. And yet, if you haven't done that, go ahead and just use the 8%. So let's say that you've got a seller on the phone and they're not sure if they have enough equity in the house because they only made the purchase a couple years ago, but they've had a baby and they want more room. Well, you can say, did you know that just in the last year, simply by being a homeowner, you have gone up in value 8%. And we know that you had said 400,000 was about what you thought you could sell for last year. Did you know that we could probably sell for at least 432,000, if not more, since we're in such a low inventory market? Let's go ahead and book a time so we can meet and go over a market analysis in detail. All right, so I hope that helps. We are hosting a upcoming program. It's called the Mega Listing Agent, and Emily Baker and I are going to take you from A to Z on how to work with sellers, what to say, how to say it, and when to say it. So we would love to see you there if you'd like to learn more. Thanks for watching.